News coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu now. After the BJP AIA DMK seal the poll pact, it's the DMK that has attacked the opposition's new alliance. DMK says the BJP AIA DMK is an alliance of defeat. Home Minister Amit Shah has revived a failed alliance. What about AIA DMK's stand on delimitation and on NEET? This is the DMK which has now attacked the newly formed alliance between BJP and the AIA DMK. My colleague Anika Keshav is now joining me on the story. Anika, we are seeing barely 24 hours after Home Minister Amit Shah said that the pact has been signed between BJP and the AIA DMK. We are seeing it's the DMK that is attacking the new poll alliance.
Well, in fact, Kanimozhi also said that she hopes that Annamalai's legs are strong because remember, a few months back, he made a vow that he will refuse to wear slippers unless and until he dethrones DMK from Tamil Nadu. So taking a dig at that, she said that I hope Annamalai's legs are still strong because he made a vow not to wear slippers until we are out of the government. But it turns out that we will come back to power again in 2026 is what Kanimozhi said. In fact, remember in the year 2021 when assembly elections happened in Tamil Nadu, the ADMK and BJP faced the poll together, but they faced a defeat. ADMK managed to win only 65 seats and BJP managed to win 4 seats. Then came the general elections last year when ADMK suffered a massive rout. They were routed out of the general elections and DMK won almost all the seats. And now in the next year's assembly elections, the DMK says that the same thing is going to repeat. This BJP and ADMK alliance is not really going to work out. The people will reject BJP and only choose DMK is the kind of sentiment that all the DMK leaders are saying. But only come next year will we know how the political landscape is going to change, given the fact that even Vijay has now made an entry. So will Vijay be able to cut into DMK's votes?
Right.
What are the political twists and turns that is going to happen in just few more months? We'll have all the answers.
Thank you, Anika, giving us those details. My colleague rightly pointed out in just a couple of months, we will have all the answers. Vijay also will play a key role in Tamil Nadu elections this time around.